Hey, what's up? So let's now activate this edit button. So when you click on it, this will be an input so you can patch this post. And I will show you something interesting on how we can only update this body for this object. Yeah, it would be nice. So there is a component here called input. Let's import it in another component that we'll create. I'll call it body editor.javascript. React function component. I will import the input only. It should be const. And what I will do, I'll just return input. I'll pass to it maybe the body, and the value will be the body, and the appearance, I think we have a text area somewhere. Yeah, it's a component class like this. The rows will be 10. And let's import this here. So import from, or import the component editor, the body editor, from the body editor. And instead of showing the body, we need to add a condition. If the edit button for this component or this component have been clicked, replace the body with a form. But how we can do this? We can do it with the store. So I will create an action called init edit mode. This will be equal to this. I will pass it a callback function, state, payload, and state dot list, and we need to find the list that we need, or the post we need to add inside of it, a key called mode and a value of maybe true, or yeah, or like this. If any post we have inside of it a mode that is equal to edit, we will replace the body with a form. How about that? I think this is fine. But to update it, we need to find it. So we can actually do find maybe by ID. But what I'm going to show you something really interesting. I am going to modify it by index. And this will work. This is really nice. This is possible because of MR. This will be immutable. So this is nice. I can go directly to the index. I can change the mode. And this actually will work no matter how nested this is. Maybe this is an object. Inside of it we have, yeah, maybe this mode is an object. Maybe inside of it we have another array or something like this. Then array, then object, then array. This will still work, which is very nice. So, but we need to call this. Let's go to our post. On edit, we need to call it and pass to it the index. So in our posts, since I have the index here, I will also pass it to the post. And here I will accept it. And just like I said before, we need to define these as, or we should define this only one time, because we don't need to redefine it each time we render a post. So define it here and pass it to the post. So they will be passed by reference. They will only be defined one time. So now I will duplicate this, and this will be called init edit mode, and I will return this and pass this to the post. And inside the post, accept it, and here on click, oops, I'll just call it with the index, which is this one. Yeah, and here before displaying the body, I'll just check. And I will destruct the mode. If mode equal to edit, I will put the body editor, else I'll just put the body, and I will pass to it body will be equal to body. Very cool. So let's test this. It's really awesome. Yeah, so now we need to activate this. So let's go here and change this to the empty fragment, and what I will have, I will import the flexbox grid, and I will have it item. The first one will have the full width. It will be the input. Oh no, I think this is fine like this. Yeah, we don't need all of this. And what I will do, I will display another button here. So let me duplicate this, cut it, and now if mode is equal to edit, this is the mode, you can do this and remove this one for now, and this will be this color. This will be called save, like this. And else you will do the empty string. There is a shortcut for this. I don't like this way. You can remove this and just put and. And the only catch here that this should be true or false. If this is something falsy, like if this is something falsy, this will be rendered. So the only catch here is that you should make it a boolean, always boolean. Don't rely on the falsy or truthy nature in JavaScript. So if this is an empty string, don't do something like this. Do something like this. Convert it to a boolean. Yeah. And of course, I will have a flexbox.item with it, and the column span will be 2. Yeah, so it's good enough, I know. And on a click on this, we will save this, but we will save the new string u type, but we need to update this. So what I'm going to do, inside our post, I will import the useState. This will be equal to the post, so we need to put it. These will be destructed from the post, but we can't use that. You can't use it. You need to reference it again. So this will be the post state. This will be the set post state. And from the post state dot body, I will pass it here. And this set state post also, I will pass it here. Let's go to the body editor. This will be like this. And on change, I will, no. This will be a value, which is a string. I need to dispatch this with body equal val, like this. So each time this changes, it will go and changes the body from this object. And on a click on this, we need to dispatch a specific action that will go and patch that. It will be a little bit similar to the delete, so I will duplicate it, call it patch. This will be just patch, and this will accept a body and then an ID and a new body. This will be like this. So body will be equal new body, and that's it. But it won't be remove post, it should be update post, and we will do that in a moment. So what I'm going to do, or I will just do it now. So it will be similar to the remove actually. Where is the remove? Or sorry, similar to the init, but this will be update post. This will be the body. So send to it just the index and the body, and that's it. So actions dot get post the index and the new and body new body, but of course we need to get the index here. So let's go to the posts and duplicate this and get the batch posts and pass it here. We need to accept it, of course, and on a click the new body will be post state.body. I think that will do it. So fetch posts, edit, or put my name, save, and yeah, we need to actually also update the mode, right? And when you patch it and everything is fine, we need to init the mode. Maybe we'll pass it here, so mode. Or no, I think a better place might be on the update. Something like this. So fetch, edit, put my name, save. Yeah, really cool. I think that will be it. I'm pretty sure this will cover most of the use cases that you will have. We are updating by index, we are filtering, we're using thunks, we are displaying stuff conditionally based on the value from the store. We are optimizing memory by only defining or by only getting the data from the store or getting the actions from the models only one time, except inside a for loop like this. Yeah, I think that's a good introduction to it. Really awesome. I will try to use it in a real example or in a real project sometime. And it's very similar to the Redux toolkit. I would say it's simpler from the Redux toolkit, especially with the thunks. Yeah, it's very simpler than the Redux toolkit. Yeah, I hope this was useful, and bye. There is a repo for this. You can check it out.